In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize product images for Shopify. We'll install a reliable image optimizer from the Shopify App Store so your product pages load faster, look crisp, and convert better, especially on mobile. Start in your Shopify admin and open the Themes section. From there, click Add to bring up the options that let you extend your store. Choose Shopify App Store to head into Shopify's official catalog of apps. If a new tab opens, that's normal. Just keep following along in that window. In the App Store search bar, type Crush.pics, or the full name, Crush, Speed and Image Optimizer. Press Enter to search. This app is widely used to compress images without visibly reducing quality, which helps improve page speed and SEO. When you see the listing, click it to open the app's page. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct listing by checking the app name and overall rating so you know you're installing the right tool. On the app page, click the Primary Action button to add it to your store. If your interface labels differ slightly, look for the main Add App or Install button. That's the one you want. Shopify will now guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. Review the permissions so you understand what the app can access, then continue. You may see several consecutive confirmation screens for authentication and approval. Each time, click the highlighted button to proceed. When the Install button appears, click Install to finalize. Shopify will connect the app to your store and complete the setup. After installation, click the Crush, Speed and Image Optimizer entry to open it inside your admin. If you don't land there automatically, you can find it anytime under the Apps section in your Shopify admin. You're now ready to optimize your product images. A few quick pointers as you arrive in the dashboard. Look for a balanced compression setting that meaningfully reduces file size while keeping details sharp. If the app offers presets like lossless, glossy, or intelligent modes, those are safe starting points for product photos with fine textures or text overlays. Use the side-by-side preview to compare before and after, so you're confident in the result. For stores with many SKUs, image optimization can significantly cut load times, reduce bandwidth, and improve core web vitals, which supports better search rankings and lower bounce rates. That's all you need to get the optimizer installed and ready. In the next session, we'll walk through recommended settings and a clean workflow for optimizing images in bulk without disrupting your